watch this now,
We
no?
don't need to pay them there. It's like a gingy fly around, bro.
So now the same thing, may I show you say Massacre is like a fly upon the wall.
No. I'm saying Devin the Doctor compared to Massacre is like a little gingy fly where you get distracted and you set some boxing.
What about Alkaline?
Before me address,
you afraid of Alkaline?
No, I'm going to address that right now. I'm going to address that right now. But I want to ask you a question first. I want you to explain this to me. Then, Tommy Lee rise from the Gaza camp, correct?
Sparta, yes.
Okay. Who is Alkaline to Gaza?
Alkaline to Gaza.
Enemy from day one.
No, because you have to remember saying, you ask me one question, saying, me answer.
Okay.
You have to remember saying, when Alkaline just come on the scene, he was emulating Vybz Kartel in every way, and then try to act like he wasn't. So, eventually, everybody say you're a fraud. You see, just like how your boy love take people things and use it, which is Mosquito. Love take people things and use it, that is Alkaline to the Gaza camp.